Three different shops gutted with massive fire due to the short circuit at Ambassa market. Similarly, another 3 stalls caught on fire on Sunday night at Khorang pabiacherra market. Later, the fire was brought under control by the fire service.
According to the incident report, it was learned that there is a cable control room beside the electric department office. Pedestrians saw a smoke appearing from the cable control room. Consequently, the cable control room caught massive fire and gutted another 2 shops nearby. The fire service came and brought the fire under control. However, almost everything was burned down into this fire before the fire service could reach the incident place. About 30 lakh worth rupees property was destroyed. Similarly, a fire gutted in 3 different shops at Khorang pabiacherra market on Sunday night. The news was informed to fire service immediately and 3 fire engines reached at the spot. The reason behind this fire is still unknown. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.